What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Clarizz. If you are a new subscriber here, if you're a new person coming through, I want to invite you here because we do tons of great DIY projects, motherhood, as well as some lifestyle videos every single week here, so make sure that you are subscribed. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY that you can make for your kids' room, your nursery room. It's these really easy and super cheap rainbow ropes that I have been seeing all over Instagram and also Pinterest, and you can make them yourself right at home. This is a really easy, pretty, and super cheap DIY, and I hope that you enjoy it. Let's get right to it. The very first thing you'll need are some rope. This is a cotton rope that I got from my local dollar store, and this size of it is about 15 millimeters. You want a thick rope like this and something that you can unravel at the end. So depending on how many colors you want on your rainbow, that is how many pieces of rope you're gonna have. So make sure that everything is even, just like this. I'm just gonna be doing 4 because I think that's enough. If you want to go for the full 7, go right ahead. Now this part is just to kind of guide you where you want to start and end your yarn. To be honest, for me, you're gonna have to readjust everything anyway, so I think that step may not help as much, but if you want it to guide you in the beginning just like this, then that is something that you can go ahead and do. Next, you want to take some wire, and this I just got from Michael's. Now this is something that is used to just kind of stiffen the rope when you put everything together. So what you have to do is just kind of unravel everything until the end, just like this. You don't have to do it super close to one another, but just enough to cover where the yarn is going to be. Next up, my favorite part is picking the colors of the yarn, and you can use whatever you want. You can even use this type of rope and you can unravel it so that it can be thinner. Now all you want to do to get started is wrap a knot at the bottom, you know, where you have that tape, and basically just cut that down. Whatever piece you have left, you can literally hide under the yarn once you're going to be wrapping all of this around just like this. Now you're going to kind of find your own groove of wrapping this around, because I know it might be a little bit difficult, especially if your rope is a little bit longer, but there's several different ways you can do this. If you want, you can stop and glue a little bit of the pieces down, but I just went all the way around and I thought that it was sufficient enough and would hold pretty well. Now once you've reached the end, you can go ahead and just glue that piece down. And now go ahead and do the rest for all the other colors. I kind of did this while watching TV, so I wasn't too bored, but it's actually a really nice and relaxing project. Now once you have all your pieces, take off that tape that we put in the beginning and basically just kind of give your rainbow whatever shape it is that you want. And once you're satisfied with that shape, go ahead and take your glue gun and just put just a little bit in between the colors, just like this, so that it's not too obvious that there's glue there. Some people like to actually thread these all together, but there is no way I'm using a needle for this, because I know that that's going to be a little bit more difficult. The glue gun is so much easier. Okay, now time for a little haircut. You obviously want to trim the bottom pieces so that they're all even, but some people actually like to do a little bit shorter and then the back ones longer. I don't know, but you can do whatever it is that you want. Once you're satisfied with the length and how it looks, you can take a brush and you can go ahead and just do what I'm doing here. It's going to turn out to be so beautiful and smooth, just like that. And then you can go ahead and add whatever it is that you want as decor pieces. These paper flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. They're actually super perfect for this project. And then if you want to customize it a little bit more, you can add these wooden letters. I got this one from Michael's, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paint that. Really feeling all the dusty pinks right now. If you want to go check out my Instagram, you will see that's super obvious there. But yes, you can go ahead and glue that down and you're all finished. Super easy and so freaking adorable too. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you're subscribed. Also, I love it when you all comment down below. Let me know what you think of this DIY, and also make sure you hit that like button so that I know that I can keep on doing DIYs like these ones. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.